In this MovinsEdition series, I'll introduce an Adidas men's sneakers item. It's a new product from MovinsEdition, which has only one male royal size 280mm, and is one of Adidas retro models with a torsion system that prevents foot twisting and provides stability. A love for 1990s fashion gives the young -96 a look that's bold and a bit eccentric. These shoes are made of a mix of mesh, fox suede and nubic. They offer a wide, chunky silhouette that's distinctly 90s. A lightweight midsole makes them comfortable enough for all-day wear. Inspired by playful 90s fashion, a layered upper and chunky outsole recall 90s style trends built for all-day comfort, cushioned with a lightweight Adidas midsole. Adidas Torsion system has been a mainstay in the brand's running and lifestyle footwear catalog since the technology's inception in 1988. Torsion was originally introduced in Adidas footwear for trail running, boasting lightweight arch support for maximum stability and comfort. It was so effective and widely loved by runners, though, that Adidas quickly moved to feature it in a wider range of footwear types. Have a good day.